Have you ever wondered how to make money with TikTok? Welcome to the exciting world of TikTok, a dynamic platform where creativity and innovation meet. TikTok, a social media app that's taken the digital world by storm, offers a unique space for users to share short, engaging videos with a global audience. But did you know that it's more than just a platform for sharing fun and quirky content? Yes, that's right. TikTok also serves as a lucrative avenue for monetization. You can actually earn money while doing what you love, creating content that resonates with people across the globe. In this video, we'll be guiding you through the journey of making money on TikTok. We'll start by showing you how to sign up, then we'll delve into picking a profitable niche, and finally, we'll explore how to make money with that niche. Now that you have a basic understanding of TikTok, let's dive into how to get started. First, you need to sign up for TikTok. This process is quite straightforward. Begin by downloading the TikTok app from your preferred app store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your birthday, phone number, or email. With those details squared away, it's time to create your profile. Think of your profile as your TikTok business card. It's the first thing people see when they visit your page, so let's make it count. You'll need to set a unique username, something that's catchy, yet represents you or your brand. Next, add a profile picture that's clear and appealing. But the most crucial part is your bio. It's a small space, but it's your chance to tell the world who you are and what you're about. Use it wisely, make it compelling. After you've set up your account, the next step is finding a profitable niche. The key to making money on TikTok is finding a profitable niche. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a niche? Well, in the simplest terms, a niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. It's like your own little corner of the TikTok universe, where you'll focus your content creation efforts. Finding a profitable niche is all about doing your homework. You need to research and understand what interests your audience. Are they into fashion, fitness, food, or maybe they're crazy about cute animals? Whatever it is, the more you know about your audience, the better you can cater to their interests and the more likely they are to engage with your content. Remember, a profitable niche isn't just about what's popular. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets audience interest. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to start creating content that appeals to your audience. To attract followers and make money, you need to create engaging content. Now, what does engaging content on TikTok look like? It could be you jumping on the latest dance challenge, sharing bite-sized educational videos, or even dishing out comedy skits. TikTok thrives on trends, but don't let that box you in. Originality is key, so feel free to add your unique spin to these trends. Remember, consistency is just as important as creativity. Regular posting not only keeps your followers entertained, but also helps you stay on the TikTok radar. But don't mistake consistency for quantity over quality. Your aim should be to create content that resonates with your audience and compels them to share your videos. And there you have it. You're now a content creating machine, but content alone won't bring in the bucks. So, now that you're creating great content, let's explore how to start making money. There are several ways to make money on TikTok. Firstly, you can leverage brand partnerships. This involves collaborating with brands to create promotional content. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach a wider audience. Next, consider joining the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a program that pays creators based on the engagement and views their videos receive. It's a great way to earn money while doing what you love. Live gifts are another way to monetize your TikTok account. During live streams, your followers can buy virtual gifts to support you. These gifts can then be converted into real money. Lastly, selling merchandise is an excellent monetization strategy. If you've built a loyal following, your fans might be interested in buying products that represent your brand. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money on TikTok. Remember, consistency and engagement are key. Happy TikToking!